The ability to collect payments directly through HoneyBook is one of the platform's most powerful features. In this video, we'll learn how to add bank account information into your account so you can get paid right through HoneyBook. Before you get going, make sure that your phone number is accurate in your personal account settings by heading to the My Account page and scrolling to the bottom. We'll need that number later. If the number is missing or incorrect, reach out to our concierge team by clicking the question mark icon on any page. They'll help get that fixed. Now, to update your bank account info, click your profile photo in the top right corner of your screen. Select Company Settings from the drop-down menu, then select the Bank Details tab. Now, just click to add a bank account. Enter your personal and bank account information. Then, in the Identification Document section, select Click to Upload. You'll want to upload a clear, legible photo of your passport or driver's license. Make sure we can see your name, date of birth, and photo in the image, as this will need to match the name and info we have for the bank account. Click Save, then save again. Now here's where that phone number comes in. To keep your sensitive information safe, we have two-step verification in place. You'll have the option to receive a phone call or a text with a verification code. Once you get it, enter the code into HoneyBook and click Submit. Now you can sit back and watch the payments roll in.